Welcome back to Autoscope. A gem of movable luxury is the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. The exterior of the Rolls-Royce Motorhome will feature aerodynamic, flowing proportions and lines. Iconic Pantheon grille, the main attraction will be an enlarged version of Rolls-Royce's well-known Pantheon grille. Retractable Spirit of Ecstasy, a Spirit of Ecstasy sculpture made from carefully selected materials will be placed on the hood. The vehicle's upright stance is maintained by adaptive LED headlights featuring a sleek, modern design, intricate accents, and an independently rotating R insignia. External storage places include side trunks and utility storage. Interior, the majority of functions will be controlled by a large, responsive, and intuitive OLED touchscreen rather than a number of physical buttons on the dashboard. An augmented reality navigation system, a 360-degree camera with night vision, and a bespoke audio system designed specifically for the motorhome's internal acoustics. Kitchen, induction cooktop, microwave convection oven, full-size refrigerator freezer, and built-in espresso maker. Smart storage drawers and cabinets will have soft close mechanisms and a distinctive design to hold equipment in place while the vehicle is moving. A king-size bed with a mattress covered in the finest silk or Egyptian linen and custom-made to match the curves of the body. Auto-fold tables are dining and coffee tables made of real wood veneer that include precise mechanisms for folding and retracting. The engine is most likely a modified version of Rolls-Royce's popular twin-turbo V12. And it will have a seamless automated transmission and be tuned for plenty of torque and exceptionally quiet operation. Autonomous driving, Motorhome's cutting-edge autonomous driving technology will allow the driver to relax and enjoy the trip under specific road conditions. A state-of-the-art air suspension technology will automatically adjust the vehicle load and driving conditions. Water purification system. This system is equipped with an efficient waste management system, advanced alarm system, external surveillance cameras,